Welcome back to another live day trading session. I'm your host, Johnny Trades. Today is February 7th, 2025. It is 7:28. Market opens in exactly 2 minutes. We are in 3 different trades. We are in SOFI, SMCI, and Sound. Hoping to catch a break on all 3 of these when they do pop up. Now SMCI is a continuation play, and SOFI is going to be a nice 3 stages of reversal. So we're going to be looking at SOFI very closely here, as this is beginning to show signs of progress to the upside. So okay, and then give me just a second to share my link. That way we make sure everyone that wants to watch knows we are live. Good morning. Looks like a lot of you are already tuning in. Good morning, good morning. Today, are we going to have another $100 day? I think we are. I think so. How are you guys all doing today? Good, I hope. Still maintaining that bullishness, trying to get above 1493. See if we can get above that 1493. If we do, we are going to get a very clean breakout here. We're going to do 100 shares right away. Buying another 40 shares. SOFI is what we are looking at today. Okay, here we go. Are we going to get what we're looking for? It's holding. Markets are now officially open. We are trading SOFI, SMCI, and Sound. Trying to catch a nice break on one of them. Sound looks like it's coming down a little bit. SOFI, looking at SOFI to get some profits here. Markets are officially open. And one more here, one more link. All right. Perfect. Welcome. How are you guys all doing today? Good morning. Good morning, 5th day average. Exis, Mr. Toad. I'm not liking this market today. Yeah, a little choppy, isn't it? A little choppy, a little overextended. Everything's overbought. Everything's just crazy today. That's okay. We're going to trade it anyways. We are going to trade it anyways. Oh my gosh, Mara's going off. I need to take that alert off real quick. Jeez Louise. Yeah, we kind of figured Mara would push up because Bitcoin is now also pushing up. It's above that moving average, indicating that it's no longer in a downward trend, but now in an upward trend. So that means, of course, Mara is going to continue to go up. You know, from 1680 to 1780, there's $100 right there in profit. So very clean, very nice trade on that. SOFI pushed up very nicely to $15. We're going to go ahead and sell 50 here. Well, let's stick to our trade plan. This can go up a lot more, to be honest. Sound still doing okay. SMCI, that's where we're making some money today also. SMCI pushing up to 35. We're going to buy another 10 shares. Okay. SOFI pushing up. Now we have 100 shares of SF SOFI. Okay, we already have 100 shares of that. And we have 20 shares in SMCI. So a couple different companies here today. Oh, now you want to work trade settings. I have to adjust this real quick. Market. Let's go 20 to be set. What the heck? It didn't work. Trade settings. Market. 20 shares. Done. SMCI pushing up. Sound also pushing up slightly. So we're not doing too bad here, guys. Not doing too bad at all. I'm going to go ahead and sell 10 here at market. 15.24. 15.20. Start reducing my position. Yeah, I touched that EMA, that average. So let's see. It's going to have to break that average. Good morning, good morning. Causing a ruckus. Sup, help, how you doing? Ezzy, sold my meta calls today. 50 average. Exis, we need to chat up the Discord about options. Want to know how to look at charts to buy. Exis, just let me know, bro. All right, cool. We got some chatter between the community members, our Discord members. That's awesome. That's fantastic. That's what it's all about. Welcome, welcome. Smash that like button for me. Sound still looking bullish, still maintaining that moving average here. So we're going to go ahead and buy another 10 shares at market of Sound. Lunar is pushing up too. That was a nice move today. SMCI, we're up 1% on SMCI and continuing to push. Trying to be a little bit more patient in our trades today, guys. That's what we're trying to do here. Trying to be a little bit more patient in our trades. Making sure that we maintain our composure. 15.24. 15.24. Yeah, a lot of consolidation at 15.24. So let's see if this maintains bullishness. Let's see if this also maintains bullishness. How are you guys all doing today? You guys happy it's Friday? Smash that like button for getting through a week of consistently showing up to the market. Smash that like button, guys. Consistently showing up to the market today. I'll buy another 10 shares of SOFI at these overbought levels. But hey, we're going to see if this continues to push up. It's staying above that moving average. Can we push higher than 15.24? If we do get higher than 15.24.28, we can see 15.55 today pretty easily here. So let's see what happens, as this is extremely bullish. People are buying from overbought levels. Sound pushing up as well. SMCI pushing up. Everything's pushing up that we're looking at today, guys. So let's be very cautious. We're already up $40 on the day. Okay, let's not give it all back. Now, it is risky to be in 3 different trades at once. It is very risky. We're going to go ahead and sell 10 shares here. It doesn't look like it's able to get above that 15.20, 15.90. So we're going to reduce our position size here. Also, Sound having trouble getting above those yesterday's, pre-market or yesterday's highs of 16.10. We're going to have to break those levels to see any type of good gains, right? There you go. SoFi still testing that area. Still looking bullish. SMCI still slowly making higher highs. And SOFI here, we're actually going to start letting off the gas. Already up 2% on SoFi. Up almost 2% on SMCI. And up about a 1/4 point on Sound. SOFI doesn't seem to be doing much right here at 1517. See how it's starting to curl over and consolidate. We're going to sell a little bit more, reduce our position just in case it does decide to pull back a little bit. Now we only have 20 shares of SMCI, continuing to push up, but where could this go? It could technically go, geez, it could literally go anywhere. It can go to 38 or 48, right? So SMCI might be a good company just to hold long term for a little while, to be honest. 1524. I'm going to sell another 20 at 1520. There's just a lot of consolidation here that I'm not really liking. A lot of consolidation. We're already up $45. We don't want to get greedy here. That's not what I'm about. I'm not about being greedy. I know I'm all about selling too early, so I know when I'm selling, you can probably guarantee it's going to go up even more. Hey, Major, Iron doing well, so Mara must be. Oh, yeah. Mara, Riot, Clean Spark, everything's doing really good today, guys. Really, really good. Bitcoin's up 2%, so Mara's up 5%, Riot's up 5%. Clean Spark is up 17%, guys. Amazing. Amazing run on crypto. Thought about trading crypto today, but yeah, I'm just not really feeling it. Not really feeling crypto right now. Uber pushing up from 69 to 71. SoFi still pushing up. It's at 1524. Again, it can't pass that 1524 level. If it can, we can get a significant breakout here. SMCI also unable to go up past 35.75. So I think right here, let's see, let's wait. We're going to wait a minute. Sound pushing up as well. My largest positions are in SoFi and SMCI. Got a few bucks in Sound, nothing crazy, about $300. Got 700 in SMCI and about 600 in SoFi. Now, I did have 100 shares earlier, which was about, what, $1,400? So, yeah. We're going to sell at 1520, another 20 shares. It's probably going to go up, but we're just slowly reducing our position size at the top, guys. Like, right? We bought down here. We're selling up here. Let's see if this catches a bounce, or are we going to get out? Like, is it going to rip up, or are we going to get rejected? Microsoft, 418. Whoa, crowd. Crowd must be moving up. Second rejection candle. Major said I sold 80%. What I had now, 430. Shame. Oh, that's all right, Major. Is it going to bounce off of this level? I'll buy more if it's going to bounce and keep going up. I would totally buy more. But I think this might be where... Are we going to get one more push? Nope, I don't think we are. 1517. Let's see if we get this little push here. Sound also selling off. And SMCI continuing to push up. So I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to lock in our profits today on SMCI. Let's wait a second. Let's see what happens on that rebound. SOFI pushing up. We're going to sell our last 20 shares here. 1520s, 1521. If it breaks, we buy. I mean, if it breaks, we hold. 1524 is our resistance for the day, guys. 1524 is our resistance. It's got to break 1524. We can get a nice clean breakout to some new highs, maybe 1555 back to yesterday's pre-market levels. Let's see if we can get back to yesterday's pre-market levels, guys. Up almost $50 today. When direction is in your favor, you continue to hold. That's what we do. That is what we do here. We cut our losses fast, and we hold our runners longer. 36.28. Let's go ahead and take 10 off the table here. Oops. I'm trying to buy instead of sell. Quick $20 here. Let's go. SoFi. We want to make sure we're still looking here. So selling off at that level, it still can't get by. Last time I sold too soon and it rocketed, so we're just going to wait. SMCI, Sound. We're up $51 today, guys. $51. Let's get ready to sell if it gets rejected again. Again, look at this rejection area. A lot of rejection going on. A lot of consolidation. Can we get higher, or are we going to just drop like a hot knife? Making lower lows, testing that moving average again. The EMA. Level 2's looking really good. SMCI selling off slightly. SOFI selling off. That might be the end of that run. That might be the end of that run, guys. And it could just come right back down. So get your sell orders ready if you're in this position. Here we go. Nice push up. A lot of sellers at 521. Could be a fake out as well. Hello, hello. Smash that like button for me, guys. Got over 20 people watching. We should have 20 likes. Do me a favor. Let's get those 20 likes. We're up almost $50 on the day. 2%. Five minutes looking good. We're going to hold. We're going to hold, guys. SoFi, SMCI, and Sound, somewhat all in the same industry, all AI, basically AI chip creator. They're all doing really well today. We're up $51. SMCI continuing to push up. This would have been nice to add quite a few more shares to, as we are already up 3%. 100 shares would have been, you know, about $100 already. Yeah, 100 shares, $100. Everything's still pushing up. That's why it's good to be patient. SMCI is moving. It's on the move. So we're going to do good by just managing our risk. We're going to sell 10 shares here because we did buy at these lower levels and we added into our position. SOFI, same thing. We bought down here and we're selling up here at the top. So I think if we don't get this break in the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and get out of this position. We're floating around $54, $55. That's 2%. That is my goal for the day, so we're not trying to be too greedy here. If this breaks, okay, if this breaks, yeah, it was non-payroll today. I think the numbers were good. If I do believe, I did see it this morning, I do believe the numbers were good for non-farm payroll. There we go. It tried 5/15/24. See if we get these buyers in here. Guys, smash that like button for me, okay? It's the only cost of this free live stream. The only cost is you got to smash the like button. And if you want to comment, you need to be a subscriber. If you're wondering why your comments aren't going through, you need to be a subscriber to the YouTube channel, okay? Come on, break. SMCI is doing wonderful, especially right after I sold. It always happens. 36.04, it's up to 36.80. Again, I don't hold any positions overnight, so I'm comfortable locking in profits right here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It is pushing up. Sound not doing much. SMCI was our winner today, guys. We're going to go ahead and sell 10 shares right here at the top. Probably going to continue to go up, but 36.50 I feel like is perfect for me. 36.50, a huge green candle. It's up over 5.5%, and we were able to capitalize on that. Now it can go up even more. Doesn't have to, but I'm sure it probably will. Yes, it's going to continue to go up. But today, I am strictly worried about myself, locking in profits, and just having an overall good day. In general, ending the week on a green note. What a fantastic way to end the week. Again, could have, should have, would have made more money. Not a big deal to me. 35.20. I made my money that I needed to make today. So very, very cool on this account. Let's see on our other trades. Now, of course, again, we could have waited. This could be one of those runners where you throw, you know, $100 in it at 25 and it's already up $11 per share. You're up $1,100 with 100 shares, right? With 2,500 bucks, you now have 3,600 bucks. And we traded it the day before, we traded it yesterday, and we traded it today. So I'm happy. We're catching the moves when they're making sense. We're not holding overnight and waiting for those bag holds to come into effect. You know, it's already up another 35 cents since I sold, which could have been another. Come in. Are you okay out there? Oh, you know what? It sounds like knocking, but I think it's a woodpecker. I think we have a woodpecker, guys. Yeah, you could hear it. It sounds like a kid kind of just... I'm like, what the heck? I thought someone was knocking outside, but it's a woodpecker. Wow, look at this. Up to $37. SMCI about to hit $37. I'm pumped, right? We could have got another dollar, another 50 cents per share, 20 shares, another 10 to 20 bucks on this position. But man, I am pumped, guys. I am happy. Woodpecker wants in on these gains. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're already up 2%, $60. $60 here. What's pushing up? Sound is pushing up. SOFI. Guys, I'm waiting for this break. If this breaks, we have 20 shares. We can make even more money here. Sound pushing up past that previous resistance level of 1612. That means this can probably push up even higher to 1630. So let's just wait and see what happens here. 1620 on sound. Only making about $4 so far. So if this pushes up even more, that'd be great. If not, we'll take our money and run, honey. Take our money and run a. I don't know. Does that sound cool? It doesn't, does it? All right, let's see here. We got... I don't know where to even put this thing anymore. Major XD. Johnny T is promoting trading rather than buying and holding crypto. Raju. Yeah, man. Solana and Litecoin coach. You know, I don't really like meme coins. I don't like altcoins. The only thing I would really trade is a stock that tracks Bitcoin. And I don't know even why that sounds more risky than just trading Bitcoin, but it's just I do trade it. It's just at overbought levels right now. It's way overbought. I don't want to buy into the hype. Like SMCI, way overhyped. But it made sense to me. I had a trade plan, and I didn't want to, you know, I don't know. It's odd, right? It's very odd. Gold, I'll trade sometimes, not very rarely. QQs, they're really choppy. You know what I mean? QQs are really choppy. Bitcoin just now hit 100,000, guys. That's great. That's great, but that's nothing new. It has nothing new to us. We haven't been able to get past 92,000 as a low or above 105,000 as a high. Like we got to 109 a couple times, but it's just too choppy for me. I traded Mara a long time there, but look at that. I've been trading Mara for a while, for probably like a year, Raju. And that's cool, man. I'm not trying to discourage you. You know, neither is Major. We're all here to learn, and we're all here to make money. And there are different ways to make money in the market. Wherever you find success, you know, I'm happy for you wherever you find success. Whoa. SoFi pushed up to 1526. Oh, no, never mind. That's the same one we've been looking at. Sound up to 1614. Still a very nice bull trend here as it's following along with those moving averages. You see how it's staying above that 9-day purple line here? That's a good indication that it's still bullish. Now look at SMCI. 36.52, 36.90 is where it capped out. That's $34. So $34 is a nice strong resistance now. This I'd say would probably be its strong support level because it's now broke through that level. But a nice clean trade. Again, no break-in pattern. There could have been a slight break-in pattern right here at 36.04. No break-up pattern here on this doji. I could have waited a little longer to get that extra push up. So again, just making sure we're locking in profits when it makes sense, and we're cutting our losses where it makes sense too. 36.52 was where I sold. So I actually sold right above that break, right? So that's good too. I sold before even knowing that it was going to sell off. So not too bad there. Up almost $60, guys. What a fantastic day indeed. SoFi's not able to break that level, actually trying to come back down. You see how it's kind of consolidating at 1526. It can't make any higher highs, so it has nothing to do but to sell off and come back down to those levels. Now, we're going to go ahead and get out of this. Okay, 15.16. We could have did a little better on this one. We could have actually locked in profits at 15.24. First sign of resistance was right here at open. 2-3 times here, a fourth time after getting rejected, a squeeze the fifth time, and after that fifth time squeeze, it just couldn't get above 15.24. That being where we probably should have got out. So hey, we got out at 15.16, about 10 cents less. We had a great trade here. We seen that this morning pre-market. It had a lot of activity. Now, even though it's showing a red candle on the 1 minute, on the 5 minute, look at this. Very bullish, very nice pop up to that previous resistance level, resulting in $28 in profit on SoFi today. And we were able to make $26 on SMCI. Very nice trade again indeed. Again, by understanding that this was bullish pre-market, finding that area of support, and then that volume coming in and pushing it up to exactly where that resistance level is. Now it's coming down, which is great. We made our money. We didn't have to give any back, or really give much back. Same thing with SoFi. Another great indication where, hey, it held that above those averages during pre-market. I noticed there was a lot of consolidation coming into play. And here we go. We're going to get a test here on this moving average again. Very big green candle, though. This could be a result of SMCI selling off. You know, it could be heavily influenced by SMCI selling off. So SMCI could also push back up. You know, we could actually probably get like 3 more shares at this point, 13.5, make another $3 or so, but it could also continue to sell off. So a little bit overbought for me at this level right now. Again, Sound, if I would have been just a little bit more vigilant on this trade, we could have actually made about 40 cents. I think we were up like maybe $5, nothing too crazy. But this, I think I'm just going to get out of Sound. Actually, hold on. It's still pushing. Sound is still pushing up. Yeah, very nice. It's getting rejected from the EMA. Still bullish though. Look at the 5 minute. Still very bullish on the 5 minute, right? It couldn't get below this moving average and hold below it. I'm kind of liking Sound still, guys. It's my last trade of the day. Live, 30 minutes today. 30-minute session, not bad. Also, guys, if this is your first time here, you found this video randomly through the algorithm, smash a like button, right? That's the cost of finding the video. I'd appreciate it. Let's get up to 20 likes today. But also, if you want to watch me trade live every single day, Monday through Friday, become an LTE member, watch me trade, learn how to do it, talk with like-minded individuals, and connect with other people that want to trade as well, not just me, then consider signing up to our Discord and subscribing to our YouTube channel. We just crossed over 500 Discord members within like a month. It's crazy how fast it's growing. We're up almost 7,000 subscribers, right? We're just shy of 17,000, trying to get to 10,000 by summer. Guys, this community is growing fast. This is all free, 100% free, lifetime access. So get in now while you can, while it's still free. First link in the description below. And guys, if you've never heard of WEBULL, WEBULL is a fantastic platform to use. If you haven't used WEBULL before, it's very simple to use once you get the understanding of it. If you've used Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, or any other brokerages, you'll know how to trade. But WEBULL really gives a more simplistic, more advanced charting systems to be a better trader. So if you want, you can sign up with my link. It is the first pinned comment in the comments section, and you'll get up to 75 free shares when you deposit just $1. I think if you deposit $1, it's like 10 or 20 shares. If you deposit, I think $100, I think you get the 75 shares. Nonetheless, no matter how much you deposit, you will get free money. And someone even signed up with my link, and I got a few dollars as well. I'll get about anywhere from 10 to 15 shares when someone uses my link, and you guys will get 40 to 75 shares. That's insane. So I have all these little fractional shares that are all hanging out today. Hey, now I'm swing trading in this account technically. So there you go. Swing trading in this account. Slightly. I know everyone knows I don't like to swing trade. And if I'm going to swing trade, hey, why not use somebody else's money? Right? Why not use some free money to swing trade? Just a heads up for all the new people here. We're up $56, almost 2% on the day. I think we crossed over $60 a minute ago. But yeah, just by identifying key levels like support, resistance, and that moving average. So Sound is in a downtrend. I think we're going to hold on to it just a little longer. I want to get back up to 1620, see if it does make that break. But I don't really want to hold much less than like 1595, 1580. Raju, thanks. Major, I bought some Irene and Mara recently, just sold Irene today. In UK, I was finding it's hard to buy and sell crypto. Our tax collection is really making it troublesome to trade. Now, guys, if you are trading crypto on Robinhood, they have a 0.6% fee when you buy and sell, basically the same as Coinbase. It's rough, guys. Everyone wants a piece of the pie when it comes to Bitcoin. It's insane. The spreads are insane too. It's like a $600 spread on Robinhood. So you buy at 100K, you're actually buying at 99,400. So you're already down money. It needs to go up $600 for you to break even. I mean, if you're going to be trading crypto on Robinhood, you're going to want to be making sure you're doing like $5,000 or $10,000 swings with Bitcoin, right? Okay, looks like Sound is about to sell off. Sound is selling off here. Ooh, Sound is selling off bad. 1580. Yeah, we're just going to get out. Did we get out? Yeah, we got out. Okay, so not the best trade here. Definitely could have locked in profits at that 1620. We noticed that there was resistance at 1620. It tried once, twice, 3, 4 times to get above that resistance. By the third or fourth try, guys, if it doesn't work, just get out. Saw this big red candle. That red candle above VWAP was showing signs of support. Cool, there is some support there, but doesn't mean it had to hold. And as soon as it broke 16, it went all the way down to 1572. Where did we even sell at? I'm not even seeing my sell order. Where did we sell? We sold at 1576. And again, I didn't have to, right? This thing could have sold off a lot more, but basically all I was doing was testing that that support. Dang it. All I was doing was testing that support. You guys see that right there? Pre-market support, tested it very clearly right there, clear as day. Support, consolidation, a lot of buyers would step in right there. And hey, this could still sell off, but it did have a nice bounce for a moment. All right, so that is my trade. I should have locked in that $1.70 green. I would have had 3 green trades today instead of 2 and 1 loss. But hey, that's okay. I'm happy, guys. I'm happy with the results. 30-minute trading session, up almost 2%, $50. What a great day. I'm out of all my day trades, and that's it. We're going to lock in some money, and we're going to call it a day. 30-minute trading session, guys. Usually we go live for about an hour. Fridays are always a little busy for me with kids, school, just all these things that I have going on Fridays. So I hope you guys all a great weekend. Thank you for joining our live stream today. Now remember, smash the like button because there's still 20 people watching and we only got 10 likes. So smash that like button, those people that are trying to watch this for free and not pay the price of a like button. Come on now, do me a favor here. There's some good information. It's free information. And man, these trades were beautiful. Look at these trades. SOFI bought the breakout, sold the resistance, and we got out before it sold off. SMCI bought that breakout at support, caught the resistance, and sold before it could sell off. Sound, on the other hand, well, not the best trade. Went up, came down, and that's exactly what not to do. Good thing we only had about 20 shares. So what a great day. 2 green days, or 2 green trades, 1 red trade, and we're up $50 on the day. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Remember to tune into our Sunday night stock talk at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That happens every Sunday. We give you a game plan for next week. We show you the overall conditions of the market, and we get excited to showcase to you other stocks that we're looking to trade. Are we going to be trading Palantir next week? Lunar, SMCI? Are we going to be trading XPEB or Sound? Well, you'll know in our Sunday night stock talk. All right, guys. And if you wanted to watch me trade live as soon as Monday morning, simply become a Discord member and a YouTube subscriber, and you can watch me trade as live as Monday morning. Appreciate you guys' time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. Major, nice vid. Have a super weekend. Good job, guys. Major, hit a brother up. Have a great day. Like. Thank you, guys. Appreciate you all.